Hey guys, Ken Stress Tactical here with the latest update on my Zev Other. So I got it back a day or two ago, no note in the box, and I'm like, did they even fix anything? I called them saying, hey, kind of what's the deal? They had to get back to me. I get an email with a generic letter, and it says this. Here at Zev, we test fire each firearm to ensure function. We will not ship a firearm without 100% functionality. Recently, we had an issue with our barrels being made with an undersized gas port, which is kind of what I thought was going on with the gun not cycling. This resulted in an AR-15 that doesn't cycle, jams, short strokes, doesn't lock back when the last round was fired. With this wave of barrels that were out of spec, we ran into a lot of issues on some of them when test firing. When encountered, the issues were resolved by opening up the gas port to the proper dimension. Due to the inconsistencies between different ammo manufacturers, we cannot guarantee that these guns, which were produced during our floored barrels, will result with your ammo, or with the ammo you were trying to use. So unfortunately, your gun slipped through our fingers and must have just barely been cycling to make it through our test. We want to make sure that all of our firearms meet the expectations of our customers and function flawlessly. Your gun has been taken apart, gas port size measured, verified it was out of spec, gas port size corrected, test fired, and shipped back to you. We apologize for the inconvenience. I hope that going forward, the firearm will serve you well. Report written by James, I can't even pronounce, Eveskcige, however you pronounce that. So I'll get it out to the range and we'll see how it functions. I got 3 mags, 1 round each, see how it shakes out. Lock back. Lock back. And lock back. All right, so far so good.